Hello everyone, my name is Sagar Kudale. I am an English teacher in Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. I teach for class 4. In today's video, we are going to see what are the contractions. So let's start it. Contractions. A contraction is two words joined together with one or more letters dropped and replaced by an apostrophe. Whenever we use two words joined together and we drop one or more letters from that, it becomes contracted forms. In short, contractions means a short form of the words. Every day we are using it when we are speaking or writing. For example, do not, it will become don't. So here I have dropped the letter O. Instead of O, I have given an apostrophe. So it has become don't. Same for I will. Instead of writing I will, I dropped this WR, gave an apostrophe, and added the last letter. So it became I. So what are the contractions? Contraction is when two words join together, and when we are joining them, we drop some letters, and when we drop some letters, we add an apostrophe. So it becomes a contracted form. Why do we use contractions? Well, we use contractions because one reason is it saves our time when we are writing or speaking. Second reason, it makes our writing or speech more rhythmic. The listeners, the readers will like that. They will appreciate it. Let's have a few examples. I am going to school. Instead of saying I am going to school, you can just say I am going to school. So this A I have dropped and replaced with an apostrophe. So it becomes natural way of speaking. Whenever we are talking with someone, naturally, automatically contractions will happen. Now, let's have few more examples. When the word have is used in a contracted form, we'll drop this HA and instead of HA, we'll use that apostrophe. We'll use an apostrophe. For example, I have. Instead of saying I have, I can just give an apostrophe. I will drop HA. I have. We have. Again, we dropped HA, apostrophe, and we have. Same for they have, you have. Let's have an example. I have found my lost toy. I have found my lost toy. So these two words, I and have, will join together. HA will drop and will give an apostrophe. It will become, I have found my lost toy. I have found my lost toy. How I am saying? I have. Here, I have found my lost toy. When we say a little fast, automatically you can also do this. So practice a little fast and you will learn how to say contracted forms. I have found my lost toy. Let's have few examples. Same for the hat. We'll drop this EHA, give an apostrophe, and at last D. They had, she had, we had, you had. All these words we can make contracted just by giving an apostrophe. You had better go home. Again, you and had make a contracted form. EHA will drop and will add an apostrophe. You had better go home. You had better go home. Same for will also. Whenever we use will in a contracted form, these first two letters W and I will drop. Instead of that, we will give an apostrophe, and that will be a contracted form. But there should be two words: he will, she will, we will, they will, I will. These all words we can make short. Contracted form means a short form. Instead of saying he will, you can say just he'll, she'll. Let's have an example of this. I will go to the store. I will go to the store. First example. If I want to make its contracted form, it will become I'll go to the store. I'll go to the store. So here I am saying the words, all the letters, all the sounds I am pronouncing. I will go to the store. While writing also I am writing all the letters. But in the next example, I am dropping some sounds as well as I am dropping some letters when I am writing. I'll go to the store. While writing, I have dropped WR. While saying, while pronouncing, I am dropping out that word sound. I'll go to the store. Next one, are. Many times we use this. And whenever we use are in the contracted forms, the first letter will be dropped out. Instead of we'll give you an apostrophe. If you are a good observer, you might have observed that most of the time we are dropping out the vowels. Maybe in the beginning or maybe in the middle, not at the end. You are, we are, they are, there. So these are the contracted forms. You are my friend. You are my friend. Again, it's a contracted form. When the word is used in a contracted form, again, drop the first vowel R, give an apostrophe, and yes. Instead of saying that is, you can say that's, what is, what, he is, his, she is, she's, who is, whose, it is, it's. Who is coming to my party? Maybe I'm very happy, I'm giving a party. Who is coming to my party? We can make a short form, contracted form. Who's coming to my party? Is homophone of that WHOSE. Who's. So instead of saying who is, you can just say who's coming to my party. What is the sentence? Who's coming to my party? We have dropped the I and it has become a contracted form. When the word not is used in contractions, most of the time we add not and helping verbs and it becomes a contracted forms. Instead of saying cannot, we can just simply say can't. Yan two times, drop out one yan, drop out the vowel also, give an apostrophe, it will become can't. So this is very important. Whenever you are using can and not, yan is only once in a contracted form. Can't. Do not, don't, is not, isn't, was not, wasn't, are not, aren't, did not, didn't. What is the pronunciation? We are writing didn't, but while saying we will say didn't. Don't say didn't, it's didn't. Practice for few times. Have example. I cannot wait for my party. I cannot wait for my party. And the natural way will be I can't wait for my party. I can't wait for my party. So here are your, let's remember what we have done. In short, once again, a contraction is a short form. When we join two words, we drop out some letters. And when we drop out some letters, we replace those letters with an apostrophe. This is an apostrophe sign. These are some contracted forms. You can use your pen, pencil, just take your paper and match the words, the short forms with their full forms. I hope you have understood contractions. Thank you for your time.